Piano lessons with Happy. The invention of the music notation, the staff and names of the notes. When was staff notation invented? Antiquity, Baroque, Renaissance, Middle Ages. The correct answer is Middle Ages. The staff was created by kings, soldiers, monks, farmers. The correct answer is monks. What is the name of the monk with the greatest contribution to the creation of the staff and music notes? Guido d'Arezzo, Dorido d'Arezzo, Guido di Roma, Mozart. The correct answer is Guido d'Arezzo. What nationality was Guido d'Arezzo, the monk who invented the staff? Swedish, Italian, Austrian, French. The correct answer is Italian. What are the names of the signs with which the music was written before the appearance of the notes? Natmi, Novmi, Navmi, Neumes. The correct answer is Neumes. What did the Neumes show? Which singer should sing? Which singer to stop singing? Quiet or loud is the song? Higher or lower is the next tone? The correct answer is higher or lower is the next tone. Which letter was transformed into the modern treble clef? B, G, C, D. The correct answer is G. From what hymn are the names of the notes? To Saint John the Baptist, to Saint George, to Saint Peter, to Saint Nicholas. The correct answer is to Saint John the Baptist. What was the initial name of the note Do? Ud, Ud, Tu, Ut. The correct answer is Ut. I believe that you have done well with the test, and I will be happy to know the number of correct answers you have given. Please write it in a comment below the video. We will be expecting you in our next lesson. Thank you, and till next time. Goodbye.